I have virtually had no business other than word of mouth and some local paper advertising and things like that, which was a very limited market. Hi, my name's David Bringer, and I run two appliance repair companies, and we use One Thing Marketing for both of them. Well, I started working with One Thing Marketing after I got on the web and searched and was looking for different companies because I don't know, starting my business, I didn't know anything about the web design, how to design my own website or how to market it or do any of the SEO. I do appliance repair work, so it's out of my wheelhouse. But I guess what I've gained from working with One Thing Marketing is that definitely our business has increased. When I went with them originally, I went on and took the big package, which I'm glad I did because it just put everything together that we needed. I thought this is the first contact that my customers are going to see is when they get on that website. That's how they're going to connect with me. So I wanted to be the best it could. I wanted to make a really good first impression. My business, I think the first year or year to 2 years, it probably doubled. And I know if I was trying to do that myself, there's no way that would have happened. I wouldn't have had time to try to do the marketing and the website and all that and still run my own business. So it's allowed me to do what I do best, and I let them do what they do best. That's really worked out well. I like just watching the increases in the traffic that's coming to the site, because I know if there's more traffic coming to there, my sales team can turn those into leads, and then my technicians can go out and service the calls. So as I watch that go up, I'm watching my revenue go up. And I've also verified that through the phone system that we use and through my bank account reports. Fairly easy to read and understand. One Thing Marketing built it, put the website up. I have virtually had no business other than word of mouth and some local paper advertising and things like that, which was a very limited market. And I mean, everybody goes to the web. We track all of our calls, where they come from, every single call that comes in. Where did you get it? It's Google. So if they've done a Google search, I know that the marketing, that they've done is effective and working. And like I said, we have some other paper marketing that we do, and you just can't reach the masses like you can on the internet. That's where it's all. The majority of our business comes. Without that, we'd just be very, very small.